Hi, hello everyone. Thank you again. Thank you for everything. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And this one is the Madam Noor and Madam Yusol for the new shop. It is C. Oh, I think that one is the name of Sophia and Celine, if I'm not mistaken. That's what I guessed only. Okay, so you can visit, you can go to the shop of EC shop. You can search even in the account or in the Google. Oh no, I don't know if there is already this one in the Google or in the Instagram or Facebook or white in the YouTube of the account of Madam Noor. Okay, so to the Madam, to the mother, to the old mother that you are living here in Baghdad, you can bring your children's or your cousins or mga nieces or relatives to visit in the EC shop, and you can see what inside in their shop, and I'm sure that the children, your children, it's make it happy and enjoy. It's better this one than they are stay at home that watching iPad and watching cell phone. At least they learn and they have they develop their knowledge and the skill. Okay, so thank you again for watching. Don't forget to visit in this EC shop. Okay, and once again, thank you very much. It's me. Ano tayo dito ng ano? Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you again for watching, and bye.